we worship you.
All right, saints of God. I want you to forget about all your troubles and your
Sanctuary, we receive your power.
Because right now it ain't about you.
Hello, everyone. I want to invite you to join us this Lord's Day. The Pearland West Church of Christ has been studying a study about the two prodigal sons. The fact that Luke 15 identifies one as the prodigal, we are learning that there are actually two sons, both of whom need reconciliation with the Father. We've already looked at both of the sons extensively, and this past Lord's Day, we started looking at what the revelations are that come from this particular text. We revealed the fact that Jesus at that point redefined God. And we started looking at how that he also redefined sin. I'm encouraging you to be with us this Lord's Day as we finish looking at how Jesus redefined sin, and then let's explore how he redefines salvation. Join us as we continue to extract these wonderful revelations from two prodigals.
All right, saints of God. I want you to forget about all your troubles and your
Sanctuary, we receive your power.
Because right now it ain't about you.